we spent a lot of time trying to figure out what to be for Halloween this year, and this is what Crosby finally decided on. He is really a plague doctor, but he decided to do without the mask, and he kind of combined a few things. So I'll let Crosby tell you all about what's going on here.
Well, first, I went into, there was a steampunk section, and there was this cool hat, and I really liked it, and it also had this ring, and this pocket watch that appears to be not ticking right now, but it does open, and that's cool. And you can adjust it by spinning this. It needs new batteries, though, but at least it came with batteries. I got this cool cane with a clockwork skull on it. Got some good weight to it, and I think it could actually support your weight. And I got one of those old-fashioned pipe smoke thingies. I don't currently have it. I got this belt from the Plague Doctor set and the jacket from the Plague Doctor set.
A little purse for your tobacco, and the watch hangs on it.
Yeah,
really cool
I did that.
Watch. And did this all come as part of one set?
The belt and the coat, yeah.
The belt and the coat were all one piece.
It's a real belt.
Yeah, it actually works. Down here. And a good little tighten. Did we go with the small and adults?
I think we went. This is the extra large.
Kids. And he's 13 years old. He's about 4'11" and weighs probably 80 pounds. And the extra large is what fit him perfectly. Look, it looks tailored to him. It fits him perfectly. We tried a lot of sizes. Not all of them fit as good as this.
And it uses Velcro, but you can't even tell it uses Velcro.
Oh, they're faux buttons. Even better.
And
I did not know. You cannot tell that these are not actual buttons. I thought they were.
And the buttons on
the hood. The hood is really cool, but I think it's better for what his costume is doing to wear it flat like this.
And I also didn't choose the Plague Doctor because at least mine, the mask was bit inwards, so it was uncomfortable. But there was a lot of padding in it, so if it wasn't like that, it wouldn't be uncomfortable.
So it has the whole costume does have the Plague Doctor mask. The whole costume came with the Plague Doctor's mask, which we've misplaced it right now. But if that's something you want to be, it comes with that. But you can mix and match costumes, and that's what's so fun about Halloween is that you get to try a bunch of different things. Here is this. Now, the ring, and what else came with the ring? That was just by itself?
It was by itself.
Okay. The ring is super, super cool. We saw that and we were like, oh, he needs that. Turn it over. Let's see the back side. Oh, okay. Well, we'll look at it like this. It's so cool. He's got smallish hands and it fits him. I think this is really kind of a one-size-fits-all kind of ring. That is so cool. I would literally wear that.
If you have small fingers, you might want to wear it on one of your other ones. That's why I'm wearing it on my middle finger. I originally had it on my pointer, but it kept, well, I'll show you. Whenever I'd bend my finger down, it would
kind of slip off.
It wouldn't slip off, but this wouldn't go down correctly and be like this.
Okay. And then check out this cane. Did the cane come by itself or was it part of a set?
It came by itself.
Okay, move your hand off of it so we can see it better. This cane is so cool. I love it. And yes, just like he said, it's got a nice heft to it. Look, even he's got a little top of his coat, which oddly matches.
It does weirdly match mine. Yeah. He's even got a hat like mine with goggles on it.
This cane is epic. It's absolutely epic. It stands about, I'm 5 feet tall and it comes above my waist. It's actually really, really tall. Hold that there so we can get a kind of a picture of how far that goes up. Goes past Crosby's waist also. So very, very tall. Nice heft to it. What else? Did we cover everything but the hat?
Yeah, we didn't cover the hat.
Okay, this hat is what started him on this costume hunt. When he saw this hat, he was like, now I know what I want to be, and with good reason, because this hat is amazing. It's got these little faux pins. These are actually really attached. This can be taken off and worn. We'll have him put that on for you in just a second. Let's see the back of the hat. Look at this. Isn't this so cool? This is lacy and very, very soft. So fun. I think the ribbon is one of the best parts of the hat. I can't decide on any one thing because the whole thing is amazing.
It's just an awesome hat.
Okay, put the goggles on for us.
At Spirit, they also sold little kaleidoscope goggles, and I just realized something dumb I could have done. With these on my eyes, they haven't been tight enough. I'm wearing this upside down. And that other one on my hat.
Yeah, actually that would have been good. Now put your hat on so we can see the whole thing.
They haven't been tightened properly. They
And
don't.
now let's have the whole thing. Look at this. This is amazing. We still have to get his black pants. But other than that, I think this is one of the best costumes we've had.